What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Doing Things with E-Dub. Today I got my little partner in crime here with me, little Leah. Say hi. Well, she gonna help where she can. All right, today we're gonna be doing something else besides food today, and I'm gonna have Leah here helping me. So I got these salt and pepper grinders offline from a company called Uline. Check them out when you get a chance. Description in the box below. And so basically, they're stainless steel and the battery operated. So what it looks like here is you pretty much put your batteries inside of your grinders, and then this button on top you use the press, and it should go into a circular motion and grind the peppers up. We're gonna find out today. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, take one apart and see what happens. So it looks like inside of this cylinder there's a compartment where you put these batteries at. Now, for what I'm seeing here, it looks like it takes 4 batteries, put them in here, you line them up properly, and then you should be able to slide the casing back on. And I guess this little silver button here at the top allows you to press it, and it will control that motor there on the bottom, grinding the pepper or the salt. So let's put it together here. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and get this salt filled up. Now there's just a little entryway for you to actually dump this salt in here. So that part I don't really care for, only because I feel like they could have did better with being able to pour it in there. You know, you can easily make a mess if you don't have some kind of funnel or something. So let's get the cap on there and see exactly what happens when we go to put it together. Alright, so everything's put together. Turn it on, tighten it, so it has a snap lock when you turn it. So let's see what happens. That looks good. Looks real good. That looks really clean. Alright, so let's test them out. And I just used some basic salt, some basic pepper. You know, nothing major. So it has a little flashlight on the end of it. So that's great. That's awesome. I like that. Not that I would ever be doing salt and pepper shakers in the dark, but that's kind of cool. Maybe if you want to take it camping or something, you just want to put it on your like food real quick in the dark. But that's it, man. That's the finished product. Looks good. Let me know how you feel. Thanks for watching. Doing Things with E-Dub. See you next time.